Hello students, good morning. I hope you all are fine. You are enjoying your video which you were made by teachers. Definitely you are studying. You know your teachers are doing very hard work. You have to be sympathized and also be students. I was discussing about the voice. Earlier I taught about the past indefinite tense. Today I have to discuss with you past continuous tense. But one more thing students, first of all you have to purchase your book. Earlier I told you many times, I am sure you have in class 9th, next year you will be in class 10th. But also you are familiar about the pandemic, how we are discussing in the class, how we are providing you video, it will be not sufficient for you. That's why you have to purchase your book. It's only a chapter, it's only a topic, but all the books are also remaining. You have to study one literature book, one supplementary book. Clear? I hope as soon as possible you will purchase, and also you have to take admission because you are having class 9th. You have to fill LOC form, list of candidate form. Unless until you are not fill LOC form, you will not be promoted in class 10th. That's why it's my humble request. If you want to study further, you have to take admission. अगर आपको आगे पढ़ना है बेटा तो आप एडमिशन लीजिए, क्योंकि बाकी तो आप समझदार नहीं हैं. ओके क्लास, आइए आगे. पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. Affirmative sentence. Sentence is written. Minister was giving speech. Minister speech दे रहा था. Clear? But according to rule, you know, in active voice, helping verb is was and were. According to singular, was is, and according to plural, were. Minister is singular, that's why you use was. मिस्टर सिंगुलर है इसलिए यहाँ पर वाज लगाया गया है. आप इसको आप कर लें पैसिव वॉइस में. ऑलरेडी आई टोल्ड यू ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ एक्टिव वॉइस विल बी सब्जेक्ट इन पैसिव वॉइस. स्पीच इज ऑब्जेक्ट. क्लियर? स्पीच वाज बीइंग. ऑलरेडी आई टोल्ड यू बीइंग बिकॉज इन पैसिव वॉइस in each and every sentence, in each and every tense, only third form of the verb has been used. वर्ब की तीसरी फॉर्म को यूज किया जाएगा. अब गिविंग, क्योंकि ये आईएनजी फॉर्म में है तो यहाँ गिवन लगाना था, इसलिए बी में आईएनजी लगा दिया गया. स्पीच वाज बीइंग गिवन. गिव, गेव, गिवन बाय मिनिस्टर. एनी डाउट? अर्लियर इट इज डिस्कस्ड in so many classes. I know you don't have any queries. If you have, also you can consult. Either you can come in school or by audio call. Is that clear? Minister was giving speech. Speech was being given by minister. Next, I am coming in negative. Rahim and Karim were not playing chess. Rahim and Karim. When a single name comes, that is singular, but when both names, means Rahim and Karim, when both makes a plural, that's why word not playing chess. Chess is the object. Same, chess was not playing. Sorry, chess was not being. Chess was not being played. Students, just you see ना, it is written playing. I wanna know, मैं ये देखना चाह रहा था कि आप लोग कभी गलती पकड़ पाते हैं नहीं पकड़ पाते. दैट मीन्स आप सीरियस है नहीं सीरियस है क्लास में. अगर आप सीरियसली वीडियो पढ़ेंगे तो ऑटोमेटिक आप चीज़ों को पकड़ेंगे. इसलिए पर यहाँ लिखा था मैंने प्लेइंग. बट इम्प्रूव, चेस वॉज नॉट बीइंग प्लेड बाय रहीम एंड करीम. आई सपोज आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी. सेम फार्मूला वही है. ऑब्जेक्ट, उधर के ऑब्जेक्ट को मैंने इधर सब्जेक्ट बनाया. सिंगुलर के साथ वाज, प्लूरल के साथ वर लगाया, नॉट लगाया, बीइंग, प्लेड, पार्टी नहीं बंद करी। दो चीजें हुई, एक अफर्मेटिव, एक नेगेटिव। इसके पहले भी जितने होमवर्क आपको दिए जाते रहे होंगे आप करे होंगे, मुझे पता है आप करेंगे भी, क्योंकि होमवर्क के लिए भी कॉपी मैसेज आ चुका है। आप कॉपी बनाएंगे और फिर सबमिट होगी, हम और हमारे टीचर चेक करेंगे इस चीज़ को। आइए बेटा इसका होमवर्क देते हैं आपको। होमवर्क देखिए, I was doing my homework my mother was not cooking food. Clear? Number 3. Jitu was not attending examination. Number 4. Ram was not searching for. These are 4 sentences you have to solve in homework as usual you were doing. Thank you class.